Watch your favorite cartoon.
Watch your favorite cartoon.
Read a bedtime story.
Read a bedtime story.
Count the sheep.
Count the sheep.
Cover yourself with the blanket.
Cover yourself with the blanket.
Rest your head.
Rest your head.
Close your eyes slowly.
Close your eyes slowly.
Blow a kiss.
Blow a kiss.
Wave to grandma.
Wave to grandma.
Call your friend.
Call your friend.
Share your crayons.
Share your crayons.
Help carry the bag.
Help carry the bag.
Open the gift box.
Open the gift box.
Blow out the candles.
Blow out the candles.
Wear the birthday hat.
Wear the birthday hat.
Take a family photo.
Take a family photo.
Sit on the sofa.
Sit on the sofa.
Knock on the door.
Knock on the door.
Answer the phone.
Answer the phone.
Turn the page slowly.
Turn the page slowly.
Look in the mirror.
Look in the mirror.
Reach for the toy.
Reach for the toy.
Smile for the camera.
Smile for the camera.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Wear your helmet.
Wear your helmet.
Zip up your jacket.
Zip up your jacket.
Button your shirt.
Button your shirt.
Put on your gloves.
Put on your gloves.
Wear your scarf.
Wear your scarf.
Pick up the bottle.
Pick up the bottle.
Put the pencil in the box.
Put the pencil in the box.
Pass me the book.
Pass me the book. Open your pencil case.
Open your pencil case. Close your backpack.
Close your backpack.
Take out your crayons.
Take out your crayons.
Put the book on the table.
Put the book on the table.
Place the toy on the shelf.
Place the toy on the shelf.
Look out the window.
Look out the window.
Look under the chair.
Look under the chair.
Stand in a line.
Stand in a line.
Wait outside the door.
Wait outside the door. Great job, little learners! Keep practicing every day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. Bye-bye!